Hi everybody. So we're going to continue on practicing equations with exponents. So let's get ready. If you have your paper and pencil, you're ready to go. Let's start with the first equation. How about we start with 5 to the third power, okay, plus 3 to the second power plus 2 to the fourth power. All right, for those of you who think you can do this on your own, go ahead and pause the video, work it out on paper, and then you can unpause the video to see how you did. If you're still learning exponents, no worries. Just do this with me, guided. All right, here we go. So we're going to take a look at the first set of numbers of the exponent, 5 to the third power. If we think about that, that's 5 3 times. So we're going to multiply 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, if we do that, let's go ahead and try it. What is 5 times 5? 25. Good. Times 5. So if you need to, go ahead and do traditional multiplication over here. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, we're going to carry the 2, write the 5 and the 1s. And we're going to multiply 2 times 5 is 10. Remember, we add what we regrouped, so 10 plus 2 is 125. So let's use another color. Let's write that down, 125. Okay, excellent. Now, to save some space, I'm going to erase part of this, what we just did, so we can do the next part of the exponent. All right, here we go. So we are going to do 3 to the second power. So that would mean we're going to multiply 3 2 times. And what do we get? 9. Excellent. So let's go ahead and use another color and write that down so we don't forget. 9. All right. I'm going to use my eraser and get rid of this for a moment, this equation, so we have some room here to work. Excellent. And then we have 2 to the fourth power. So we're going to multiply 2 4 times. So go ahead and write this down. 2 4 times. Let's multiply it. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Change my color, write that down, 16. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase my work down here for a moment. Save a little space. And then we're going to calculate our final answer. So our final answer would be 125 plus, doesn't matter what order, you can put 9 next if you want, and then 16. We're going to add those up to get our sum. All right, so we have 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 and 6 is 20. I'm going to put our 2 up in the 10s, carry that. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we have just 1 in our hundreds column. So our final answer is 150. All right, good job. Let's try another one. Okay, so if we start with, let's see, how about 8 to the second power minus 4 to the third power. Okay, for those of you who think you know how to do it, go ahead and, like I said, pause the video and figure it out, unpause it, and then you can see if you were correct. If you need to do it with me guided, go ahead and continue on with me right now. All right, so if we have 8 to the second power, that means we have 8 times 8, so 2 times. What is 8 times 8? 64. Let's change our color, make that 64. Excellent. Okay, then we have 4 to the third power. So that means 4 3 times. We're going to multiply. All right, let's do that. What's 4 times 4? 16. I think we've done this one before. 16 times 4. For those of you who are not sure, we can, over here on the side, multiply 16 times 4. We're going to use traditional multiplication, but you are welcome to use lattice if you want. 6 times 4 is 24. We're going to multiply 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 2, what we grouped, that's 6. So 64. All right, so we get another product of 64. Let's write that up here above so we don't forget. Oh, we could erase this, but I can actually just see the problem here. 64 minus 64. Oh, I bet you figured that out on your own in your head mentally. We get a difference of 0. Great job, fourth graders. Keep up the hard work. We're proud of you.